Hi guys, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I prepared this veggie patty Subway sandwich at home. I make these patties from scratch. This is kind of old video. I have already shared recipe, but I still use it. It's so great, so I thought of sharing with you again. So I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. For the veggie part, I'm taking half cup of carrot, half cup of green beans, 1 cup of onion, and half cup of bell peppers and 1 jalapeno, and half cup of cauliflower and few olives and half cup of spinach. I'm also using some 2 to 3 boiled potatoes here. Let's add everything to chopper: carrot, beans, peppers, flour, and onion. And then I'm just roughly chopping the jalapenos because it was whole. And now we just gonna chop it fine. Once it's ready, transfer it into a pan and we're gonna cook it on medium to high heat. And I'm gonna add salt so that way it cooks much faster. We don't want to cook this completely. We just want a little softer veggies and moisture should be all gone like this. It is ready. I'm gonna take it off the stove. And while it's still warm, I'm gonna add my chopped spinach to it. If you want, you can also cook it with veggies, but I like to see little green color, so I add it at the end. And as soon as the mixture cools down a little bit, we're gonna transfer it to a bowl, in a wider bowl, so we can mix it properly because I'm gonna add more ingredients to it. So I start off with this Italian seasoning, and I'm adding about 1.5 potato here, and I'll add as much as I need more, but I'll start off with this much. And also going to add about 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce here. And seasoning, I'm just roughly adding, you can adjust according to your preference. I'm adding garlic powder, cumin powder, and just a little bit of salt because we have added soy sauce. And now I'm gonna mix everything nicely, mash it, and I'm gonna add a little bit of more potato to it for better binding, and I'm gonna mix it all together nicely. Once it's all mixed, at the last I'm gonna add 1 cup of breadcrumbs, and I'm using my clean hand to mix it. That's how I know I have mixed it properly. I'm also going to take some breadcrumbs in a wider plate to coat my patties in. Now I'm gonna take a little mixture of this portion in my hand. I'm gonna shape it into a patties. I'm just gonna go rectangle shape just like Subway, and I'm gonna keep it in a medium size. So I have shaped it here, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna coat this very well with this breadcrumbs, so that way when we cook them they turn out crispy and brown. And similarly, I'm gonna prepare all my patties here. If you have time, you can keep them in the refrigerator. If not, it's okay. I'm gonna take a little bit of oil on my griddle, and I'm gonna cook this and make them little brown from both the sides. So I'm gonna cook it one side first, spray a little bit more oil on top, and I'm just gonna use oil spray here, much easy. And I'm gonna flip them over and cook them from the other side as well until they turn golden brown. They all are ready. I'm gonna take them off the griddle. Now here I'm using just the standard bread, and I'm gonna just cut it open so we can stuff it. And for veggies, besides the patty, I'm using onion, tomato, avocado, cucumber, lettuce, and some pickled olive, jalapenos. Let's assemble. On one side of the bread, I'm gonna put generous amount of mayo, and I'm gonna spread it evenly. You can use whatever you prefer, any mayo or dressing. On that, I'm gonna put a lot of lettuce, onions, and sliced cucumber. You can use whatever veggies you want to use here. And then I'm gonna put some sliced tomato to it, and some jalapenos and olives. And then I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of black pepper, regular salt, and some chili flakes to it. I'm gonna put some avocado slices on top. And lastly, I'm gonna put the patties we have prepared. I'm gonna put 2 of them and press it gently. And the other side, I'm gonna put some cheese. close it. And my delicious veggie patty Subway sandwich is ready to enjoy. This is just the basic version. You can definitely play around and put the ingredients you like. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this recipe. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.